how's it going? So this one's been kind of overdue for a while. Got my very good friend Alex Nasla here from Gear Gods, also
Hello.
keyboard player in Witherfall.
Yes.
And just general all-around big help. So as you guys know, I've been here in Hollywood working with Alex and Warren at this wonderful studio that we've got here, and I still need to do a studio tour video on. But the heart of the system we're working with here is a custom audio PC designed by our friends over at Slick Audio. And what they do are turnkey audio PC solutions, so you don't have to dick around with getting your PC configured.
Yeah, it was great. Like, we built the computer and everything, right? And they shipped.
Well, no, they built the computer.
Well, I mean, sorry. Like, you pick up parts on their website.
Okay.
And they build the computer and everything, and they send it, and man,
it works.
like the second you turn it on, you're like, oh wow, that turned on in like 6 seconds. Like something like that.
Yeah, this thing's just ridiculously fast. For audio production,
Dude.
I think it's a little more than I need personally.
Yeah, it's probably. I mean, it's not. There are some sessions that I have that usually give me a really hard time, and then I use it on this thing, and it's like, oh what? What
yeah.
this? Oh, you're trying to run this session? Oh, okay.
Like if I was maybe recording 4 symphony orchestras at the same time, this thing might chug a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, if we're
maybe.
recording at 192 kilohertz.
Right.
Maybe.
Yeah. For like some kind of movie or something.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, like seriously, we're getting some insane performance. Here's a clip of a full mix that I'm working with, and just see what kind of CPU load I'm hitting. Check this out. It's ridiculous. So, what kind of specs are we rocking here, Alex?
So for the CPU, we have a 9900X Core i9. For the video card, a AMD WX5100. For RAM, we have a 64 gig RAM, DDR4. 3 SSDs in them.
Those are hard drives, right?
Yes, hard drives. 2 of them are 1 terabyte, one of them is 500 gigs. And then we have an extra regular like hard drive, 6 terabytes.
Cool. What about the cooling on this?
So for the cooling, it's liquid cooled, the CPU.
That's
It's by a company called NZXT. It's called the Kraken.
Oh, that sounds cool.
It's really cool. I don't remember the exact model, but it's the one with the 2 fans, not the 3.
Okay, and I gotta say, yeah, this thing is just quiet as hell. I mean, like, if you can hear it running right now, we'll turn off all the noise reduction and everything.
Wait. Oh, the speakers are louder than the computer.
Yeah,
The white noise from the speakers just being on is louder than the computer.
yeah, it's pretty damn quiet. And like I said, I've been throwing everything I can at it, and the thing just totally rocks. It's rock solid. It hasn't crashed on me ever. I gotta say that's pretty important. I haven't had a single crash on this thing. We're using it on and off for most of this year.
Right.
And yeah, it's just there. It works and it does its job. So that's pretty freaking cool. And this is the thing too. I'm not just only using it for audio production. I'm doing a lot of video editing on it as well. And as far as DaVinci Resolve goes, it just totally rocks on that as well. How are you finding working with it?
Dude, it's been incredible, man. So I do a little bit. I record like you, but I also did some other stuff, like a lot of virtual instrument stuff, and I've just been like loading like tens and like I don't know if I've gotten to the hundreds, but like definitely tens of virtual instruments, orchestration, physical model, like synth stuff, and it's just been like just no problem. And I can get the latency. The cool thing about this is the lowest I've ever been able to get the CPU because it's so fast. I can get that latency, the sample buffer, like super low. So when I'm like trying to play keyboard stuff with my MIDI controller in real time,
Yep.
I can monitor it like basically in real time.
Oh, that's
it's
fantastic,
crazy. Yeah.
man. That's really cool. So now I'm sure a bunch of you guys are probably sitting there going, "Well, I can build my own PC at home. Why would I want to do this?" And it's like, and for you guys out there who build your own PCs, well, this isn't the PC for you. I mean, yeah, go ahead, build your own. This is more of a turnkey system. If you've got a studio you're putting together, you won't just want to get yourself a great computer that's going to work and you're not going to have to dick around with it to get it to work. Yeah, this is definitely the system you want to go with, because you're just going to be able to plug it in, fire it up, and it's going to do its job.
It's pretty nice. Like me and you, we both have built computers many times in the past.
I've been building my own custom PC since the early 90s.
Yeah, I've been building my own custom PC since I was 8, which is not the early 90s, but, you know, it's beside the point.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're both PC builders,
Yeah.
and it's just like, it's really nice to just walk in and have something already
It's crazy.
ready to go.
You know, and it's like you learn some things too, like how this PC is built and using it. It's like, oh, I've never like gone into the world of like X299 workstation grade like stuff. I'd always thought maybe it's not really like worth it and stuff like that.
Sure.
But after talking to the guys at Slick, they're like, no, for what you guys are doing, this could, and they're right.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been just an absolutely brilliant
It's been
machine
crazy.
to work with. So this is the thing. Yeah, if you're building your own PC, you could definitely save a few bucks. But Slick Audio provides warranty, and they also provide tech support. So if something goes wrong, you've got someone to call who's going to walk you through it and help you get it fixed. But so far, we haven't needed to make that call because the thing just freaking works.
Yeah.
So it's definitely worth checking out. They've got several options. I know they've even built their own custom laptops. I'm sure they've got.
They even have like you've seen that small one? They have like a super tiny like workstation computer.
Oh, okay,
it's like
that's
the
cool.
size of your hand almost.
Oh, that's actually pretty sweet.
It's really sweet. Yeah.
Okay. They're going to be at Summer NAMM, by the way, so you should like drop by the Slick Audio booth if you've got some questions for them, because I'm sure they'd love to talk to any potential customers and whatnot. All right, so there we go. That's the Slick Audio PC. Once again, it's not for the home builder. This is more for the person who wants a great system that just works, and especially if they don't know a whole lot about PCs. If you're like expert level, you want to do your own thing, that's absolutely fine. You're not the target market here. I did something on Slick Audio a while back, and a bunch of you guys were like, "Oh, I can build my own for cheaper." Yes, you can. You're not the target audience. This is for people who just want to save the dicking around and just get something that works. Anyway, I just want to say thanks very much to my good friend Alex Nasla and his not very cool jacket for being on the show. Check out his channel, Gear Gods, and check out his band, Witherfall, when they're on tour, because he's a pretty damn good keyboard player. Thanks for being on the show,
Thank
Alex.
you, man.
All right.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Hasadega Ibuai.